Welcome back to Joda Decor. Today, we're diving into a heartwarming holiday theme, thrifted vintage holiday decor ideas for a budget-friendly Christmas glow. If you love the timeless charm of vintage Christmas but want to decorate without breaking the bank, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below to share your favorite thrifted finds or decor hacks. There's something incredibly special about finding vintage treasures in thrift stores, from antique ornaments to weathered brass candle holders. These items carry stories, and when styled with care, they bring a nostalgic warmth that new decor simply can't match. Before you begin decorating, choose your color scheme. Think deep cranberry reds, muted golds, creamy whites, and evergreen tones. These classic hues instantly evoke that vintage Christmas charm while keeping your thrifted pieces cohesive. Skip the commercial ornaments and head to your local thrift shop. Look for mercury glass baubles, old-fashioned tinsel, and handcrafted ornaments. Mix and match different textures to create a tree that feels layered and full of history. Don't overlook vintage frames and mirrors at secondhand stores. You can transform them into festive displays, add a holiday quote, wrap them in garland, or use them as backdrops for your Christmas vignettes. Soft, flickering candlelight gives any space that old-world holiday glow. Search for brass candlesticks or vintage lanterns at thrift shops. They instantly add elegance and warmth to your Christmas tablescape. Add depth and texture with thrifted fabrics. Think plaid wool blankets, lace runners, and embroidered napkins. These cozy layers make your home feel like a charming Christmas cottage straight out of the past. Your kitchen can sparkle too. Display vintage cookie tins, enamelware, and old glass jars filled with candy canes or dried oranges. It's an easy way to bring a nostalgic holiday feel to your cooking space. Create a budget-friendly wreath using thrifted materials, old ribbon, buttons, or brooches. Combine these with evergreens or dried florals for a one-of-a-kind piece that captures your personal vintage style. For your mantel, mix thrifted garlands, antique figurines, and old postcards. The key is layering textures and tones to create a cozy, time-worn effect that feels both elegant and inviting. Set a memorable Christmas table with mismatched vintage china and glassware. Thrifted dishes, paired with simple linens and candlelight, make for a beautiful, nostalgic dining experience. Balance your vintage finds with natural elements like pine cones, dried fruit, and evergreen sprigs. The mix of organic and antique creates that perfectly imperfect vintage holiday look. And there you have it, a collection of thrifted vintage holiday decor ideas that prove you don't need a big budget to create a warm, glowing, nostalgic Christmas home. Which idea will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more vintage-inspired decorating ideas from Joda Decor.